Good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Swarup's classes. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss problems of physical chemistry from R.L. Madan book. It is a very popular book for physical chemistry, and you can refer for the preparation of the M.Sc entrance exam, JN exam, the CSI net chemical, and complete the your B.Sc syllabus. For solving of all types of the problems of the R.L. Madan book and or theory concept, derivations, graphical representation, different types of the problems which given in R.L. Madan book, you can join Dr. Saurabh sir classes for completion of regular syllabus, doubt session, regular classes, study materials, and a series of mock tests. You can make a call 906-239-5123. इस नंबर पे आप कॉल कर सकते हैं. You can contact and also you can message a WhatsApp message on this number for joining all types of the concept classes. Right? So now start from the today problem from the physical chemistry R.L. Madan and it is related to the chemical kinetics. जो problem है हमारा related to the chemical kinetics. Chemical kinetics. What is the problem? So now read the question. Rate constant for a first order reaction has been found to be 2.54 into 10 to the power minus 3 per second. राइट. रेट कांस्टेंट फॉर अ फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन है, उसमें रेट कांस्टेंट जो है के इट इज गिवन एंड इट हैज 2.54 into 10 to the power minus 3 per second. Now calculate the 3/4 life. 3/4 लाइफ, यहाँ पे आपको हाफ लाइफ पीरियड की प्लेस पे क्या कैलकुलेट करना है? 3/4 लाइफ. 3/4 लाइफ आपको यहाँ पे कैलकुलेट करना है. तो हाउ टू कैलकुलेट दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम? So now we can start with the given data, right? हम इसको solve करेंगे. We are starting the solution of this question according to the given data. According to the given data, that is the rate constant. Rate constant K, represented by the K, is given and value of this constant is 2.54 into 10 to the power minus 3 and unit is the second inverse per second. Now reaction order. In this question reaction order is also given. Reaction is a first order reaction. It is a first order reaction. So now use of the appropriate formula for the calculation of the 3/4 period of life, right? Now write the formula, that is the rate constant of the first order reaction is the 2.303 upon T on the log basis, log concentration of the A, initial concentration, and ratio of concentration, initial concentration and concentration at time T, right? A is the concentration of reactant at T is equal to 0 and this is the after time T. For now for 3/4 they are asking about the 3/4 life period. 3/4 life period of the reactant, right? 3/4 लाइफ पीरियड ऑफ द, मतलब टोटल जो हमारे पास 100% है उसमें से 3/4 का लाइफ पीरियड क्या होगा, यानी कि रिएक्टेंट से प्रोडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन, हाउ मच टाइम विल बी टेकन बाय द 3/4 कंप्लीशन ऑफ द रिएक्शन, राइट? तो नाउ राइट द इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन. फर्स्ट हम क्या लिखेंगे? वी विल राइट हियर इनिशियल कॉन्सेंट्रेशन given by concentration A, note, right? And remaining concentration after time T, concentration at T is equal to initial concentration A note and माइनस 3/4 हमें कैलकुलेटेड करना है, मतलब टोटल जो कॉन्सेंट्रेशन है इनिशियल उसका 3/4 कंप्लीशन में कितना टाइम लगता है. तो नाउ Simplify this equation, we will get 1 upon 4 concentration of A, ये हमने यहाँ पे ले लिया। तो substituting the this into the equation, हमारे पास ये वैल्यू है, इसको हम क्या करेंगे, ये वाली इक्वेशन में सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे। तो नाउ सब्स्टिट्यूट द इक्वेशन, substituting this into the equation that is first order reaction, first order, right? First order reaction है ये, तो फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन के लिए हमको क्या करना है, 3/4, राइट, 3/4 लाइफ फॉर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ द 3/4 लाइफ, 3/4 लाइफ T 3/4 इज इक्वल टू 2.303 अपॉन K, राइट। K को हम इधर लेकर आ गए बिकॉज ऑफ K इज गिवन इन क्वेश्चन। नाउ राइट द फॉर्मूला, concentration of A नोट and concentration after time t, ये हमारे पास है ऑलरेडी, वी हैव कैलकुलेट हाउ मच, 1/4 concentration of A नोट, value of the AT put it in this formula. Now 2.303 upon क्या लिखेंगे हम यहाँ पे, 2.303 log A log, इसको हमने सॉल्व किया, log 4, राइट, log 4 ये हमारे पास है। नाउ ऑल्टरनेट शॉर्टकट, इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो यू विल गेट द आंसर। नाउ ऑल्टरनेट शॉर्टकट, सिंस T 3/4 is the time for two successive half lives, that is 50% and then 25%, ऐसे ये कन्वर्ट हो रहा है। now write the formula, that is T 3/4 is equal to 2 into T half and 2 into 0.693 upon K, 93 upon K. Now calculation using this method, that is the 3/4 is equal to 2 into 0.693 अपॉन K का वैल्यू हमने पुट करेंगे जो कि आपके क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, पुट द वैल्यू ऑफ K। नाउ सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन and we will get the value of 3/4 life, 1.386 upon 2.54 into 10 to the power -3. Right now the final result for solving the above values, then we will get 3/4 life period, approx 5.4567 seconds, कितना है इसका पीरियड, 5. Now you can solve the question on the basis of formula of the rate constant and T half. Thank you.